Tutorial 40 multi-section solid. In the last tutorial we created these three reference planes as we see them here, and now we are going to use them to create multi-sketches and combine them with the multi-solid or multi-section solid, and it's called the lofted boss in other CAD softwares as we see the icon here. So now let's create a sketch on this reference plane. So let's create a center point rectangle. Exit, and let's create another rectangle on this surface. Exit. So now we can combine them with the multi-section solid feature. So we have sketch 7 is already chosen. So you can notice here is choosing the closing point and the section. For the second sketch we can choose this point. So as you notice it chooses closing point to be in this corner, and now we can, if you click here, you choose closing point number 2, preview. So we can just remove the selections and simply choose, for this you can choose sketch, cancel, again multi-section, sketch 1, sketch 2, preview, and now we created a multi-section loft. If you change the direction here, so on rebuild, so that will change, didn't work, so we are able to change the direction of the loft. Control C, and now also we can make a multi-section from an existing part. So now let's activate the multi-section tool. Let's use this first sketch and second sketch to be this surface. Preview. So as you notice we created the loft between these two edges, and you can change the direction here. Preview. You can notice the change in the shape. Also you can make a guiding line for